In this video, I am going to show you how to use McDonald's employee discount. Open the McDonald's global mobile app. Go to Rewards and Deals, select National Employee Discount, scan the mobile offer at checkout, or place a mobile order to get 30% off. Get 30% off your orders at participating McDonald's restaurants nationwide. Whether you're at your local McDonald's or taking a road trip, you can get 30% off your McDonald's meal orders with the National Employee Discount. Having trouble? Please make sure that you're using the same email address for the McDonald's app that you gave us at orientation for your employee record. If they don't match, the system will not recognize you as an employee and add the discount. If you would like to update your email address on file, please contact their office at 801-392-4656 or talk to your manager. New employee? Please wait at least 48 hours for the discount to appear. If you continue to have issues after waiting 48 hours, please contact by email. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.